everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles. If you are new here, please don't be afraid to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So straight to the video. First we prime the eyes, and I'm going to go with an orange based eyeshadow into the crease of my eyes. Then I put concealer onto the base of my eyes and the blend. After that, using a very shimmery, glittery gold, blend onto the base over the concealer and somewhat onto the crease so you can blend very well and neat. Now for the black body paint, and you're basically going to paint on a mouth of a pumpkin, rather it's gonna be a frowning, a smiling, or even an evil grin. And I'm basically freelancing black carving marks onto my face, to my neck, and under my eyes. With the same orange eyeshadow, I'm shadowing the carve marks. With the same glittery gold, I'm adding on top of the black body paint to make my look a bit unique compared to my reference photo. And hair down. Hey everyone, so I'm gonna quick input. I'm gonna try these magnetic lashes that I found and could possibly a dupe for Glamnetic, and I hope it is, because I really I can't afford Glamnetic right now, at least. Instructions say put one layer, let it dry, put another layer, let it dry, then put the lashes on. So they're mostly dry. I just put mascara on my real lashes. I'm gonna go with Violet. This is Natalia Violet, and let's see how this goes. And I don't know if you guys can see. 5 magnets. All up in my personal space. And I know there are like there's already another like other groups that are doing the whole magnetic thing, and I can pretty much figure out exactly how they did it. It's just how they and here you go, and along with a TikTok.
Under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes going red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween.